Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your profile name or game name on Steam. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your profile name or game name on Steam, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to select your current profile name right here at the right side of Steam. And after that, a drop-down menu will appear. So among these options on the menu, I want you to select this View My Profile option right here. And then your profile will be opened. So here on your profile, I want you to click Edit Profile. And then after that, there you go guys. You can now change your profile name right here. So just enter what you like. And once you're done entering your new name, just scroll down to the bottom and then just click this Save button to save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Steam profile name will now be changed just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.